Hi, I'm Chad. In this video, I will show you how to import contacts from Xero HQ. If you have a Xero HQ account, you can import contacts into Boma directly from the platform. To do so, click on the Settings menu and then click on the Linked Accounts menu. Now, click Connect to Xero HQ button. Once you have done so, you will be directed to Xero HQ, where you will need to enter your login information. Once completed, you will be redirected back to Boma. Your Xero HQ contacts will then begin to import into Boma. Please note that this can take up to 10 minutes depending on the size of your contact list. Once you have imported your contacts from HQ, Boma will continue to sync with your Xero HQ account every 24 hours, keeping your contact list up to date with any additional contacts that have been added. This is a one-way integration. If there are fields that were not filled out in Xero HQ but have been filled out in Boma, the data will not be transferred to your HQ account. If you have any further questions about importing contacts from Xero HQ, feel free to reach out to our support team on support@bomamarketing.com or simply use the chat bubble in your Boma account. Thanks so much, and bye for now.